We're trying to braai, and they're just like bonding over there. Hi guys, I'm Megan.
Braai.
And welcome to our channel,
The
Screaming Pugs.
Okay, today we're gonna make a braai pie.
Braai pie. For you guys who don't know what braaiing is, it's pretty much a South African version of barbecue.
Yeah.
But better.
With actual fire.
Yeah, we're gonna make a fire. Precaution, fire burns.
Don't put your head in it.
Yeah. Don't touch it. And everyone's favorite cat, Nero.
Hello.
We didn't realize she was in the background of the intro. She was just like sitting there, being all dramatic. We're interrupting her nap time. Okay guys, so we're just quickly gonna make our filling for the braai pie. You'll need some onions, we just chopped these up. Then you'll need some mushrooms. This is pretty much like a whole packet of white button or whatever you want to call the mushrooms. Then you're gonna need bacon. This is actually like 2 packets. And lastly, you have this delicious mixture. It's garlic, pepper dews, some chutney, and a couple of spices. So let's get to it.
So as Megan explained, this is the ingredients we're gonna use. But you can use any ingredients. You can use beef, you can use chicken, you can make a vegan pie. It's really up to you. There's no correct way or wrong way. What you have, you can put in your pie.
Okay, time to add the onions.
Onions.
Okay, now that the onions are a little bit caramelized, we're gonna add all of the very much bacon. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add the sauce. I've also added a little sugar to it because why not? I like sugar with food. Okay, so now we're adding the last ingredient, the mushrooms, and then we're just gonna let it sit like this for a while until the mushrooms get all fun. We're just gonna leave this like that for a while and we'll get back to that shortly. Hey there. Are we interrupting your snooze? She has like a bed inside and she prefers to sleep like on the roof because that's how cats are, looking down on us. But we love her. Okay guys, so we're just gonna wait a little bit longer for this to just dry out a little bit more. You can't exactly put wet food or liquid inside of a pie. We're just gonna ready the other ingredients, basically some cheese. It can be any cheese, but we're using cheddar, and some feta because it's good. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put a little oil on this board here. That would be the word, I guess. It's just so that the puff pastry doesn't stick to it when we want to take it off and put it on the braai. So I don't have a rolling pin and I feel this is pretty much like the size we wanted, so we're just gonna leave it at that. So now it's just basic from there. Add all your fillings. then lastly, you're gonna need some eggs that are mixed up. It's just to basically paint the outside of the pie, just to give it that nice brown black. Okay.
The first thing you'll need is some copper wood and an axe or some rest or whatever you have. Put it aside. Take out the wood. Then you can start making a fire. Start your fire like this. And a packet of some Lego inside here. Some more. And maybe 2 more pieces.
So we obviously did our research on a braai pie because we haven't made one before, and we did notice that you have to pretty much put it over really hot flames, not flame grill at all, but it needs to be hot. Like it doesn't help if it's like already cold and you're trying to like bake puff pastry, people.
Okay, so you guys might be wondering what is a braai pie. Well, it's a pie that you braai. Instead of putting in an oven, we're just gonna make a fire and put it in the fire and braai it. As easy as that. So I'm gonna start my fire now. I'm gonna get my blitz. I think it's, what's that, the fire start in English? So I'm gonna get my fire started.
I have no idea.
I'm gonna get my matches. There's my fire. Keep it right here. Hopefully that starts our braai.
If not, if the wood is wet, it's not because we don't know how to braai or anything like that. You can ask every South African male.
We are born to braai.
Okay guys, so our fire is burning nicely. And now it's on to the most important part of the braai. We don't have beer because we're on lockdown and can't go buy any. But we're drinking some brandy and coke, so cheers!
Cheers.
Nero! Just chilling in front of the fire.
Okay, so all we did now is put on the braai grid on the braai so we can clean it, get all that juices off from the previous braai. So when we put our braai pie on the braai, it's nice and clean.
That's like too many braais. You can like make it a drinking game. Every time we say braai, like take a shot.
Okay, so our fire is mostly burnt out, so I'm just gonna spread it around evenly so we can prepare for our braai pie. So yeah, I think we are ready for our braai pie.
We're just trying to figure out how to put the pie like on the grid here, so bear with.
So I'm just gonna cover our braai pie with some eggs and make it nice and golden brown when it's done.
So the trick is apparently to braai it fast and keep turning it frequently so it doesn't burn. And yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Like honestly, I have no idea. We've never tried this. We've talked to people who've tried it and apparently it can be a giant mess in a couple of seconds time if you don't do it right. So we're trying to be fast about everything.
Now we're gonna do the other side.
Now we're doing it while it's on the braai, just to save time because you have to turn it frequently. So yeah, we don't really have time to waste here.
Okay, so we moved it a little bit higher because it was, as you can see, it was burning a little bit.
Yeah, that's not ideal.
this side looks much better.
How do you find the braai pie experience of actually making it?
It's more difficult than a braai broodjie.
We're trying to braai, and they're just like bonding over there. Nero!
Yes.
That's the spot. She's like turning into an old lady, because she's like 8 years old. Hey! Manners. Darkness. Yeah, it's kind of late, so the lighting is horrible in here. Let's just focus on the pie. Okay, so we've been turning it a couple of times. I think it's pretty much ready to come off. We're just giving it another minute. And then we have to figure out if we're gonna get this off this thing without like burning us and the food in the process.
Okay, so the moment of truth, let's see.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay. Sick.
Oh, cheese.
Cheese.
We like cheese. Okay, let's speed up this process quickly.
Cheesy goodness.
I like this is, I have to do this. Worth it. Good luck, took the tiniest bit of string you could find. Just take everything.
Braai pie.
I am so happy.
Delicious.
I hope it's actually cooked all the way. Okay, we're just gonna taste test this because we have to, it's food. More cheesy goodness. Okay. I like the grit, it really helps to cut it. Bite-sized pieces here. Okay, we let it cool just a little bit because I want that mushroom. Here goes nothing. Pie. I love pie. Okay, so we hope you guys enjoyed that. It was like insanely delicious.
I know, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat the rest of it. So we're rushing this now. We're definitely gonna do it again, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Put other fillings
Maybe
in
a
there.
chicken one?
I was thinking chicken, yes, great minds. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like this video.
Yeah, you know what to do, like and subscribe, comment, and so on.
Yeah, let us know what should we make next. Do you guys like the braai pie? Would you like to make it? We're interested to know what you guys think.
Yeah, definitely.
Until next time.
See you guys, bye.
Bye.